class. This is a really important instructional video, and it is about hey guys, this is a really important instructional video because I am going to introduce you to the template for every essay that you will be completing in English 111. So they're called template-based essays, and for short we call them TBE. So basically it's a 5-paragraph essay format, and I have really good news for you. You have already written 2 out of the 5 paragraphs on this template. So I will briefly show you each paragraph, and then as we learn to write each paragraph, I will go into more detail. So like every good paper, paragraph 1 is going to be your introduction. Okay? In paragraph 1, you are going to explain to the reader, without talking to the reader, you are going to explain to the reader that there are 2 articles, one by Jason Lusk, one by Brian Walsh, and you're going to put the titles in those, and you are going to explain to the reader that you are doing a compare and contrast essay about the similarities and differences of these 2 authors' ideas. Okay? So in that first sentence, that's what you're doing. Number 2, you are going to tell why it's an important topic. And then thirdly, you're going to write a thesis statement. I will get into all those great details at a later date. All right. Here's the good news. When you get to paragraph 2, you should be able to copy and paste your revised Walsh summary as your paragraph 2. Okay, so paragraph 2 is going to be your Walsh summary. That's the first article that you read. Okay. Paragraph 3 is where you insert your Lusk summary. Okay, I'm going to grade those as soon as I can and get them back to you with feedback. You are going to insert your Lusk summary there. Okay, so you got an introduction, Walsh summary, Lusk summary. And if this essay were a hamburger, paragraph 4 would be the meat patty right here. Okay, paragraph 4 is by far the most important paragraph. It is the compare and contrast paragraph. So that is where you are going to analyze both articles for the reader and tell them the commonalities among these 2 authors and also their differences. Okay, I'm going to teach you how to write that paragraph in a separate video in this module. And then finally, paragraph 5. Y'all are going to like this. Up until now, you have not been allowed to give your opinion about anything. So the good news is, in paragraph 5, you actually get to say what you think about the topic of industrial farming after reading these 2 detailed articles. Okay, so I will also teach you how to write that paragraph at a later date. You will use this template for every single paper in this class, including the final exam in December. Okay, you will use this template for every single essay. So from now until the end of the semester, we're going to live by this template. I want you to follow it. Like I said, the good news is you've already finished paragraphs 2 and 3. Okay, so after this video is over, I want you to go directly to the next video, which is how to write the compare and contrast paragraph. And I'll see you there.